another message came from, they said, Hitler personally, that he'll never release us. And if we try to stall or make way for the Soviets, they'll just shoot us right on the spot. And we were given 30 minutes to take whatever we could and start marching away from the Soviets. And we slept in the snow. The German guards were confused, didn't know what to do. We marched one time 36 straight hours. Naturally, since there was no access to food other than what you can pick up on as you marched. There were some Red Cross parcels that they said, okay, we'll give you some of those, and that's it. Then we marched in the snow and slept in the snow, and they didn't give us any food, and there were literally, I would say, 3 or 4 days without food. And many a time I would try to scrape away the snow to see if there's any grass there so I could maybe chew on grass. So it keeps cows alive, why not me, for us. And finally, we passed a farmhouse. We saw a great big pile of cabbages, which they used to feed their cattle. So all of us prisoners broke loose and grabbed the cabbages. The guards kept shooting. I'm not sure whether they killed any of us because everyone was looking out for himself by that time. But I did see a hen. And I remembered someone telling me that if you hit the back of a hen quickly, she'll lay an egg. So I tried it, and sure enough, she laid an egg. And I'm about to crack the egg when a guard came up, grabbed it, and said, I'll give you X number of seconds to get back into formation. Otherwise, I'm going to shoot you right on the spot. And he took the egg. So I almost came close to eating something.